Okay, so this is part of our keto series. We're on a ketogenic diet, and we're going to be doing some cooking that are good for ketogenic diets. So one of the things that everybody tends to have in their house that's really not good, whether you're on a diet or not, is salad dressing. People have these jars of salad dressing, bottles of salad dressing. Commercial salad dressing, pre-made. One thing about commercially packaged salad dressings, they contain a lot of sugar. They contain things like soybean oil, which really isn't very good for you. If you make your own salad dressing, it's not that hard to do, and you can put healthy ingredients in it, and you can do it without any sugar at all, and you can use things like olive oil or things that are healthier, and you get a really delicious tasting salad dressing, and at the same time something that's healthier for you, whether you're on keto or not. So I am going to make a keto green salad dressing, and we're going to have a salad for lunch today. So this is going to be the entire recipe. Sure. We've got about a cup of parsley. We've got 10 basil leaves and 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and you want to make this the best red wine vinegar you can find, because that's a big part of the flavor here. And then you want to put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and that's your salad dressing. It's really easy to make. Now, to make this salad dressing, it's super tricky. You throw everything in the blender and turn it on. Parsley, basil, garlic, red wine vinegar, and then your olive oil. Now, if you want to pretend like you're a chef, you basically blend up everything except the red wine vinegar, or everything except the olive oil, and then you drizzle the olive oil in to create an emulsion which makes everything thick. So let's turn the blender on, start the blender. And then drizzle this in a fine stream. That's it. Now you put in a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I've made this a few times, so I know what I need. I don't use a lot of salt, just about a pinch and a half of salt. And then I'm putting in maybe about 2 teaspoons of pepper, because I like a lot of pepper. And there you go. That's your salad dressing. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Now, how are you going to make a salad? Pretty much however you want. Now, I like some things I like in this salad. We have already some lettuce cut up, romaine lettuce. We have some onions. We have some green pepper. I'm going to throw in about a 1/4 to a half a cup of garbanzo beans in here. We have also about a 1/3 of a cup of Kalamata olives. And then we're doing about a half a cup of feta cheese, because that's a lot of your protein. Actually, yeah, about a half cup of feta cheese. Now we want. Okay, so we have the pepperoni out, and also a couple of slices of provolone cheese. This pepperoni is really nice. We got it from Whole Foods. And
look at Rocky.
It seems to be, oh yeah. My dog is very interested in what I'm doing right here.
Oh, it's a little over there.
Does that look good? That looks good, right? Okay, you'll get a piece later. Okay, I like cutting it in strips when I'm putting it in a salad. It doesn't have to be really fine strips, but you want to cut it into strips. That's it with provolone cheese. Pepperoni, you want to do the same thing. Cut it into strips. There we go. Sprinkle that into the salad too. And there you have your salad, your green dressing. Put your dressing over your salad, toss it, and you've got a wonderful meal.